So by this time, you guys should have access to my creators GPT. Thank you guys for your support. So right now, I'm going to show you how you can use GPT Prompt Professor. Basically, it refines custom GPT instructions for better comprehension. So start by writing your desired outcome. So how you can use this is basically you just write what you want the the GPT to do, and then this GPT Prompt Professor will basically structure the instructions into a more desired one, and then you can basically paste the outcome into your custom GPT. So let me show you how it's done. So basically you can type in you are a content creator that writes. So you're an expert blog writer. Let's do that. Blog writer that writes SEO optimized blog posts. You are required to look through, you know, the web, look through the web for keywords that can be utilized so that the article will be ranked high in the search engine result page. The outcome is to be able to create blog posts that that guides users, that has good readability and attention grabbing, so that the bounce rate of the page isn't high. Let's try that. Okay, so it will basically create the instructions. So step 1, step 2, step 3, and then you also create new feature suggestions, which is SEO analytics integration, readability score checker, trend analysis, your Google Trends, etc., image SEO optimization. So the steps is basically to research and identify popular keywords related to the blog post topic using SEO tools and web search. Integrate these keywords naturally into blog posts to enhance its SEO ranking. Ensure the blog post has high readability and is engaging to reduce bounce rate. All right, so basically what you have to do is just take this instruction right here. You're going to go to Explore. You're going to go to Create a GPT. You're going to go to Configure. You're going to go to here and then paste it in. And then you can just type your SEO Blog Writer Expert and then short description. I write SEO optimized blogs. Okay. Then basically what you can do is generate that, and you can basically prompt it right here. So what you can do is you can write me a blog post on ChatGPT. See what it says. It will do the web search first, so it will research on Microsoft Bing, and then it will look through for keywords that will be able, so that it can optimize for it. So it's actually quite cool. ChatGPT blog post SEO strategies 2023, WordStream, visiting WordStream. Let's see what it does. Okay, let's see its output. All right. So writing an SEO optimized blog post about ChatGPT involves a strategic approach encompassing, so begin with identifying seed keywords like ChatGPT, AI chatbot, ChatGPT. All right, so basically enhance readability and engagement, identify relevant topics. So what it does is it basically gives you a strategic approach on how to write a SEO optimized article so that you are able to rank high on your article, your blog post. And yeah, so that's how you use the GPT Prompt Professor. So GPT Prompt Professor. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I create these GPTs, the specific prompts and instructions I've used, subscribe to my newsletter where I'll go through all of them. So link below. All right, we'll see you there.